How's it going? I have my Audi 1.8T here. It's a roadster. Today, I'm gonna try to clean up a little bit inside the engine bay. It's just kind of dirty. I have is a mix I made. Have a little bit of degreaser, regular dish soap, and hot water. Just a tad of degreaser, but it's going on metal, so I don't really think it matters too much. Still will have to spot test. I just gotta clean it, so to me it doesn't make a difference. But I got the car for $500 with a lot of problems, so this is gonna be the next project. But for now, I'm just gonna start cleaning the engine bay with a little concoction I made. We'll see how well it works. Let me do this. Never want to spray directly. There's other stuff that could get damaged, so I'll just spray it on the brush. And always wipe it down with any cloth. It doesn't really have to be a microfiber. It's metal, but we just need something. But it already cleaned up a lot, so I guess I'm just gonna sit here and keep spraying it and show you guys how it comes out. I only cleaned a certain area. This is how the other fender liner looked, just as black and dirty. But then look at this side. It's still dirty. I didn't get down here, but I cleaned this right here. And I got up here. But it was looking like the other side. As you can see, I still missed a few sections. But compared to how it was, and I'm also gonna do just a little bit on the roof so you can see. It's a good concoction to clean. Just need some elbow grease. As you can see, the roof is kind of dirty over here. I said roof twice. I meant to say hood. Long day. Always make sure to have multiple rags. Keep flipping it to a clean side and keep wiping down for the best results. I'm just doing it real quick as an example. Still need some more elbow grease, but as you can see, I mean, it didn't take off everything, but it's a good start. Definitely need some elbow grease, but this is how it was looking. It was all looking like this side. Let me know what you guys think. As always, share the video, like, subscribe, hit that bell icon, and come back with future builds on this car as well. Next project car.